Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share prompt engineering tips for ChatGPT, the state-of-the-art conversational AI system. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design effective and engaging prompts for ChatGPT that can help you achieve your goals and delight your users.
What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the art and science of crafting input texts for ChatGPT that can elicit the desired output text from the system. Prompt engineering is not just about writing a question or a command for ChatGPT, but also about providing context, hints, constraints, and expectations for the system to follow. Why is prompt engineering important? Prompt engineering is important because it can make a huge difference in the quality and relevance of ChatGPT's responses. A well-designed prompt can help ChatGPT understand your intent, avoid misunderstandings, generate coherent and consistent texts, and avoid generating harmful or inappropriate text. A poorly designed prompt can lead to ChatGPT producing irrelevant, nonsensical, contradictory, or offensive texts. How to do prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It depends on your specific use case, domain, audience, and objective. However, there are some general principles and best practices that can guide you in creating effective prompts for ChatGPT. Here are some of them. Know your goal. Before you write a prompt for ChatGPT, you should have a clear idea of what you want to achieve with the system. Do you want to chat with ChatGPT for fun or for information? Do you want to generate content such as stories, poems, summaries, or jokes? Do you want to ask ChatGPT for advice, feedback, or recommendations? Do you want to test ChatGPT's knowledge, skills, or personality? Knowing your goal can help you choose the right tone, style, format, and length for your prompt. Know your audience. You should also consider who will be using or reading your prompt and ChatGPT's responses. Are they experts or novices in your domain? Are they casual or formal in their communication style? Are they sensitive or tolerant to humor, sarcasm, or profanity? Knowing your audience can help you tailor your prompt to their preferences, expectations, and needs. Provide context. Context is crucial for ChatGPT to generate relevant and coherent texts. Context can include information such as the topic, genre, purpose, background, setting, characters, mood, and tone of your prompt and ChatGPT's responses. You can provide context by using keywords, phrases, sentences, paragraphs, or even external sources such as links or images. However, you should avoid providing too much or too little context that can confuse or overwhelm ChatGPT. Provide hints. Hints are subtle cues that can help ChatGPT infer your intent and expectations from your prompt.
If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your subscribe will give me energy to produce more videos with interesting topics in the field of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching.